Hey, good morning. It's Mark Weiss. What's your group's guiding principle? Does it need one? Well, what is the compass that steers your group's decision? Is it that you're simply a collection of individuals and that whatever some of the individuals want to do is fine, that the group simply exists to coordinate scheduling, perhaps run an office, do some billing and collection? Or is there a purpose behind your practice, a purpose through which you could run your business decisions? I maintain that unless your group has an underlying purpose, every decision is just going to be made on the fly. It's just going to be off the cuff, what's best right now, but might not be best for us later. How do you gauge whether opportunities are good? How do you gauge whether or not you should reject a contract, for example, covering a facility? What do you base this on? Is it just the economics as presented today, which may not be the economics tomorrow? Every group has a set of guiding principles, whether they know it or not. Some are just so jumbled that they make no sense. In other words, there's the default position. Start examining what your guiding principles are. Then start building them out into, in essence, a set of rules that help you develop a decision-making process. Do you hire X and X? Do you terminate so-and-so? Do you expand to other sites? Why? Why not? What underlies those decisions?